Hold on. Physics are fun. Ow! Holy cow!
Are you all right?
Just spinning. Great. What was that sound? Oh.
Finally found you. Die.
Oh no! What are we going to do?
I don't really know, Poulina.
I know! Die!
I'll protect you.
Oh, you're my hero! He's coming!
Okay, enough playing around. It's time to pay. Give Poulina to me.
He's ready to destroy us. We have to go.
Oh, so smart, bastards.
Listen, you have to be really quiet. He's here. He's closer than I thought.
Where are you?
We have to go.
Yeah, this way! Don't kill us!
Be quiet.
I'm hungry!
Bad timing. Oh no! Please,
Where are you?
leave us alone. Phew. You did a good job. What? I'm going.
How sweet! Will you prepare something to eat for me?
Maybe there's something ready to eat already. An apple won't be enough.
I'm in love with apples! Tasty! Thank you so much! Ouch! You don't have to be so rude! Don't worry, it's delicious!
I didn't find anything. Sorry. Holy cow. Let me hear that roar. Who? No!
You're totally cornered. Ha!
How do you find us? I won't let you hurt her anymore!
What's going on? Ran out of weapon options? Die!
Weapons? We were looking for something to eat until you came as the monster you are.
Because you're my food. Oh, well, this is tasty
I
enough.
know it's a bad time, but I need to take a bath
Huh?
as soon as possible!
Ew!
Watermelons are good for your teeth. Where are they? I have to finish this.
Close your eyes.
Cool! Careful with my hair!
You're ready.
Thanks, Blake!
What's this key for?
Use it to hide from Pooh.
Huh?
Whoa! Didn't understand anything he said!
It's the key for that locker.
Hey, bastards! Where are you hiding now?
We're fine.
No.
This is our last chance to hide from him before it's too late. Come inside with me.
I know you're close. I can even smell your fear from here, kids.
He's getting closer!
What? No, don't sneeze. He can hear us. Poulina.
I'll kill him later.
It's our chance. Try not to make a sound, Poulina.
I'm not feeling so good!
Hang in there. Holy macaroni.
What? What's that sound? Well, it might be the
Oh no,
wind.
we have to go now.
I'm so dizzy!
I'll get you meds.
Thank you so much!
You'll get better with this one, girl.
Keep us dead!
What? How? Was it Pooh? I'm sorry, man.
Pooh's
What?
evil.
Holy
You have to
cow.
run before he kills you too.
Did you hear that?
I did! Hurry up then!
He could be anywhere. In any case, I'm glad I've met you. Let's try to survive, Poulina. Ouch!
How did he
How
kill
are
you
you so fast? Stay away from her, Pooh. It's not her fault.
This is your egg. Feed me. Oh,
We better
you
go.
bastard.
He's our hero. I'm glad you're fine.
Ow! Ouch! You win! Let me go now, Pooh!
Nobody can escape from me. Do you hear what I'm saying?
I think he's coming. Please open up. Our lives depend on you, door.
Oh,
no! Is this really our end? You're the cutest thing I've ever met, Poulina.
Time to... What?
What happened to him?
I'm sorry. I really am.
Don't hurt kids.
That's how we do it, Mom! Yeah! Why don't we teach him a lesson?
We did it! Holy moly! Stop this right now!
Stay with me!
What do you want from me?
I want you to play with me.
That's all? What's the trick?
No tricks, feed me.
All right, sounds good. Holy macaroni!
Let's go.
Wait a minute, where? Ouch! Are you sure about this? This is my chance to think of a solution as soon as possible. Please, I hope it works. Oh, Pooh!
Hi, Fred. Wanna play football?
For sure!
Awesome.
Take it, hurry! Uh-oh.
What are you doing with that?
Why don't we play something else? Pooh, be careful! I don't want to slip and get hurt from the fall! Wait a minute, what are you doing?
Taking care of my bed.
Hey, we have to escape before he wants to kill us.
What's happening?
Did he hear that?
It must be the wind.
Let me help you.
No, I heard something again, but you didn't talk. Time to get everything dirty out of
What are
you.
you trying to say? Stop! I don't wanna. What are you doing?
Cleaning.
So weird. Why are we playing soccer again?
I love feeling like Messi. Ouch.
So boring. What?
Throw the ball away and put the wheel on the car.
What's wrong?
Oh, do you want to keep playing? Try and get this!
Look at it bouncing. I love it.
Time to go. This shouldn't be that hard. How tense.
Hey, player.
What?
I want to play
I must hurry up.
again.
Of course I'm leaving. You're insane and terrifying. I'm out of here.
No, wait. You don't understand.
Out of my way.
Why you never believe me?
Don't say those things, man!
Don't want to hurt you! Player! This is so painful. How did you do this to me?
Oh no! I must accelerate right now!
Don't go! It's too dangerous to be alone in this
Stay as far as you can from me, Pooh!
Hear me out!
Where is he?
Over here!
Huh? I think there's no other option. Oh! Hurry up! He wants to kill me!
Please, don't leave me alone!
Wait! You want to just be friends? Really? Count on me, pal!
Oh, really? Thank you, player!
What? Where'd he go? Who?